Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by confirming exactly where the limit is set and what's consuming data. Open Settings, then Connections, and tap Data Usage to inspect your current billing cycle and the data cap. Once done, scan the list of apps to see which ones use the most mobile data and note suspicious spikes or background usage. Make sure to record the set limit number and reset date so you can compare before and after changes and avoid unintended overages. Next, you will reduce the allowance causes by lowering the data limit and adding a warning threshold. Go to Mobile Data Limit and set both the cap and an alert at, say, 80%. Then, restrict background data for identified heavy apps so they only sync on Wi-Fi. Also, configure Play Store, Samsung Cloud, and app updates to Wi-Fi only so large transfers don't eat mobile data. Remember to toggle Data Saver on to further limit. Finish by restarting the phone to ensure settings apply, and then monitor usage for the next 2 to 3 days to confirm reductions. If you still see excessive consumption, clear app caches for suspicious apps and toggle airplane mode briefly to reset connections. As a key troubleshooting tip, if limits persist despite changes, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles and reconfigure Wi-Fi and APN. This often fixes phantom data drains caused by rogue background services or misapplied carrier settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.